Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon dog food. First, understand that salmon provides excellent omega-3 fatty acids for your dog's coat and joint health. You'll need fresh, boneless salmon, dog-safe vegetables, and a healthy grain. We'll cover cooking methods to ensure the food is safe and delicious, along with tips for proper portioning. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll want about 1.5 pounds of fresh, boneless, skinless salmon fillets. For vegetables, select 2 cups of dog-friendly options such as carrots, green beans, or peas. Also, prepare 1 cup of cooked brown rice or quinoa. If your vet recommends it, you might include a canine multivitamin for extra balance. Now for the cooking. Steam or bake your salmon until it's fully cooked, reaching an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Separately, cook your chosen vegetables until they are tender, then mash or finely chop them. Once everything is cooked, combine the salmon, vegetables, and grain in a large bowl, mixing well. Let it cool completely. Proper storage is key. You can store the cooked salmon dog food in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, freeze individual portions for up to 3 months. When introducing this new food, do so gradually over 7 to 10 days to avoid upsetting your dog's stomach. Always consult your veterinarian for personalized dietary advice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.